Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your TranscribeMe account. Follow these simple instructions to gain access to your transcription work easily. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Navigate to the TranscribeMe website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.transcribeme.com. Press Enter to load the website. Step 3. Locate the login button. Once the website has loaded, look for the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 4. Click on the login button. Click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your account credentials. Step 5. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will see a field to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your TranscribeMe account. Step 6. Enter your password. Next, you will need to enter your password in the designated field. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any login issues. Step 7. Click the Submit Login button. After entering your email and password, click on the Submit or Login button. This will initiate the login process. Step 8. Access your account dashboard. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can access all your transcription tasks and manage your account settings. Step 9. Troubleshoot if necessary. If you encounter any issues logging in, such as forgetting your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it and follow the instructions to reset your password. Thank you for following along. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides. Happy transcribing!